Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's the next weekend. Clinton did last vlog, so now it's my turn. But before I get started, I got a couple things to do. I've mentioned in a couple videos that I had some personal things going on in the background, and I did. Me and my girlfriend and her mom are starting a real estate company, and this is our first house that we got. So I'm just here unloading the tools, and when I get the tools all unloaded, I'm gonna go meet Clinton at the shop, and we're gonna mess around like we normally do. I've got a wing for a customer that I need to paint, but other than that, it's a pretty clear day. It's a nice Ohio day, snow on the ground. It's probably like 40 degrees, but I'm gonna walk in here in a second and I will show you guys around, and then drop off all the tools and then we'll get going. Dragging the last pack out in right now. That's what those are. They're called Milwaukee pack outs. Dragging the last one in. Well, there's only two, but let's see. Give you guys a quick tour. Don't want to take too long. I got, as I said, stuff to do. But I mean, this is it. This is rough. This is it. Bought this house as a flip home, and that's what we're doing with it. This did not used to look like this. This is all us. We bought it as people were living in it, but as you can see, it's wooden paneling all over. We've had to take it off every single wall, so we're doing that. And just some little odds and ends, like we took the heater out, or the furnace. The furnace is now up there. It's a little dark. I'll give you the rest of the tour. This is the dining room area. But this is a total restoration, basically. Everything's coming off. We're changing the location of stuff, like kitchen and stuff. Other than that, this is basically what I've been talking about when I've been saying I've got personal things going on in the background. We've been waiting to get the house. Planning everything out. We've been getting quotes and everything. But if you wanted to know what I do outside of YouTube and outside of cars, this is it now. This is my life for the next however long it takes. And then we're on to the next one, and then the next one. But my girlfriend and I are super excited about it. But I'm more excited to get to the shop right now. So let's go do that. I'll meet you guys there, and we'll say hi to Clinton, because I think he's there already. But see you guys there. Okay, now we're ready to go visit Clinton. Got the hot chocolate. Got everything else I need. And we're off to go see Clinton. Clinton, I'll be there in a little bit. Made it to the shop. As you can see, Clinton is not here yet, but it does not matter. We get started no matter what. So, give you guys a rundown of what I got to do today. I got to paint this. This is a wing that I made for a customer. Get a nice angle to it. Got to cut that, or paint that, and then have some diff stuff that I need to do. This is sitting in the trash because it's draining. And then last weekend, what you guys did not see, or a couple weekends ago, I don't remember when I did it, but we didn't. Oh no, we did film it. We did film it. That was last video. Got all the 8/8 parts cleaned up. They are not from that diff. They're from a different diff. This is a 31 spline axle. This one was a 28. So gotta change that. But yeah, that's basically what I've got today. Not much going on, but enough. So I'll fill you guys in as I do some work. I'm going to clean up a little bit, turn the furnace on, and then we'll get the day going. Did some stuff around the shop. I cleaned up a little bit, cleaned up my workbench, and now I gotta paint this wing. So as I said before, this is for a customer of mine. I just gotta paint it black. It's going on. Shit, I don't even know what it's going on. Some type of car. But I gotta paint it all black. And I'll just do a time lapse of that, and then we'll I think we'll bump over to Clinton and see what he's doing. Right, Bod? What do you got, Bod? Yeah, that's what I thought. Ran into a little bit of a predicament. The paint that I grabbed from my dad's house is gloss black, not matte black. I have to sometime in the future get some matte black so I can paint this. But now I think we're gonna move on to Clinton's segment. This ought to be good. So, Bud, what are you up to?
Stop bullying, mate.
What are you trying to do?
Putting 5/8 on a 7/8.
Putting a circle on a square, pretty much. That is the right size.
No, it's not. I took off this part.
That
Is the 7/8.
Oh, is that okay?
I don't know. We'll see where this takes us.
Okay. That's not gonna clamp down. I mean, this is not gonna go well.
Oh yeah, bud.
Okay, boys.
All right.
I'm gonna step back
Let me put a face shield on.
and maybe I'll watch you through the window.
Maybe put some gloves on too.
Good luck.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, this is the moment of truth.
If anything, it should spin off that way, so probably should have worked out.
The death wheel wins.
It works. I mean, we did use.
You got it all cut. This is gonna be a gusset, and yeah, I think it looks good. Turned out good.
Say we used like 20% material
We used too much
for one cut.
for one blade. So
I think there's another way you can put down here too.
this is for this will be. Imagine that is I don't even know what
Frame rails.
like frame rail support things,
They'll be
body supports.
Well, it'll be for the tube chassis. So if anything, I would say it's for the.
No. The big things that you were making.
What big things?
Those things. Those big.
Yeah, that's for like the
It's
roll
for mounting
cage.
the body.
Well, also the roll cage.
Well, yeah, but mainly those are where the body goes, right?
Right. It's so like
So it's where the body attaches to the
to the
chassis.
yeah, because on the car, since it's a unibody, it went through like this and then down under, but then it stopped halfway. So
Yeah.
on the outsides of the car, there's just two like little frame rail type things.
This will go right like that. Well, like that. So that's where the roll cage is going to mount. It'll be a 1 3/4 inch bar right there. My camera is about to die.
That is the plan for the other side. Just one big old boy.
Yeah, one big one, and then.
And actually,
And then-
nothing's even going to be on that, but
But
Still need to support
this is what the frame or the body is going to be mounted to. So we had a bit of a predicament. Forgot some batteries. So I'm using the expensive camera now. Man, this thing's a bit heavier than the other one. So I am working on this. Just, dude, it's great when you can just kind of not care about the bolts or nuts or anything. But I gotta take this off, then I gotta get the inner fender liner off, because sending that away. And as you can see, there's as you can hear, there's grinding going on in the background. So I'll update you guys as I go, and hopefully this is pretty easy. Got the fender liner out, as you can see, sort of. So that's it's one down, one to go. All these screws were stuck in here. As you can see, some of them came out of their little things, but most of them did not. So had to end up cutting them. Now I gotta jack up this side, which was like half the struggle because this car is on air, but none of the airbags hold air, so it's like slammed 24/7.
With off-road tires.
Oh yeah, it's got massive off-road tires on it. But gotta put this side back together, put the wheel back on. Then I don't know if you can see, I've got it jacked up over there. I'm gonna have to jack it up on the other side, and then we'll be good to get the other side off. Let's check over with big Clinton Tinterus over here. What have you been doing?
Grinding all the paint and galvanized metal. And I still gotta get the edges, but I'll do that after I get all the faces done.
Look good?
Yeah, only issue is that now that they're ground down to shiny bare metal like this, is they'll rust unless I spray them with WD or something.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put that coating on that, like we put on the engines.
Yeah?
We put on the outside, you know.
I've got some Steel It, which I haven't
I don't know
used.
how these don't rust. They're not.
Because they've already got like they're like pickled sort of.
Pickled.
Yeah, they've got that coating sort of stuff. It's called pickling sometimes.
Piccadilly.
But I've got that Steel It, which is just spray paint that you can weld over.
Oh, I'll just throw that on then.
I gotta get working on this piece of poop. So I'm gonna get that going. Jack the other side up. Actually finished that faster than I thought I would. So there's the two inner fender wells, and this is all put back together. But I think that only took me like half an hour, maybe. Wasn't that bad. I mean, I got to cut everything, so wasn't that hard. But let's go check on what Clinton Tinterus is doing. Any updates, or is it the same?
Nope, everything's ground down, ready to go.
Ooh. Ooh. Nice and shiny.
Shimmy guinea. So be one on top, on the bottom. One, and then you know the rest. So I'll weld those on now, and then oh,
It fell.
yeah.
Oh, those look good.
Weld it on now, and then we'll be good.
Looks good.
Do you think I should spray that stuff on the bottom, or put something on the bottom? Because do you think it'll rust when it's against it like this, or it won't matter?
It's fully welded, it shouldn't. Clinton and I are cleaning up this area because I'm going to wash some parts. As you can see, my diff is draining in the trash can, which may not be the best place, but you know, it's how we do it around here. don't mind Clinton working in the background. He's just working. So I decided not to clean it up as well as I could, just because this is most likely, like 99% positive, that this is going to be sent off to sandblasting. So I'm not trying to get it 100%, just trying to get most of the heavy stuff off of it, and all like the liquid that's still in it, the diff fluid. But yeah, this is all cleaned up for the most part. Send this off to get sandblasted, and probably have to take all the, well, I'll probably take all the bearings and everything out of it. But yeah, send it off to sandblasting, it'll be all good. And then I'm gonna try, I don't know, haven't checked if they make a clear powder coat. I think they do, because I would love to get this powder coated clear, just so it doesn't oxidize or anything. I know it's aluminum, so it's not that bad, but I don't want it to, I want everything on the Mustang to be easy to clean. So when this gets powder coated, it'll remove all the rough from it. So it'll be able to just wipe off really easily. This is the inside, all clean and everything. So before we sign off, let's go see what Clinton's doing. Clinton! We're signing off, but we're just checking to see what you're doing.
Well, you're in luck. We're all done.
Ooh, another weldy boy. So let me turn down the times for days. Damn. She's clean. Both sides. Ooh. Oh, it looks great.
Didn't even see the little A.
The heat zone.
Perfect. Not nice.
But yeah, I don't know how long this video is gonna be or what's all gonna be in it, but
This must be.
well, that'll be in it. But as of right now, we're gonna sign off. So adios. See you in the next one.